Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoey if you are new here, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, an actual makeup tutorial. I know it has been so long since I've actually done a makeup tutorial, but I wanted to sit down and just like let my creativity flow because I haven't played with makeup in so long. This is gonna be more of like a holiday, like glitzy, glammy kind of makeup look, so we'll see what happens. I don't even know what I'm doing yet, but that's what I'm aiming for. But if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Join our family, help us grow. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, and all that information will be down in the description. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're ready to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. But before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin. I did already wash my face and apply my toner, but I am going to be using the TEAMI VIT-C Tea Infused Serum. It is this stuff right here. This video is sponsored by TEAMI. So thank you, TEAMI, for reaching out and wanting to partner with me on this video. But yeah, I have been using this recently. I've been using it for about 2.5 weeks now, and I love it. I've been wanting to throw like a vitamin C serum into my skincare because I can't use retinol right now while I breastfeed, and I couldn't use it while I was pregnant, so I have been wanting to use a vitamin C serum because it is good for brightening your skin and clearing and helping fade dark spots. So it's perfect for my skin and my acne type, so I have been loving it. It's been very moisturizing. I have seen a really nice difference in my skin and in the spots that I have. I've had some darker spots and they're starting to fade already. They were a lot worse at the beginning of this. The serum itself is just very calming. The scent is so nice. It's very clean smelling, but it also smells like tea. It's a very refreshing smell and I absolutely love it. And I don't have any problems with the serum. It doesn't make me break out or anything. Yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with it so far. I've been using it for 2.5 weeks, and I don't know if you can tell how much I have actually used. It's like down to here in 2.5 weeks. I have been using the crap out of this stuff. So yeah, this has hibiscus flower, which is rich in vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin, and vitamin C, which is a vital molecule for skin health. It is rich in antioxidants and bursting with hydrating and protective benefits. But yeah, I have been using this stuff and loving it. It really does a really good job with hydrating my skin and helping fade my marks further. So thank you, TEAMI, for partnering with me on this video. I'm loving this product so far. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my skincare and then we'll get started. All right, so I didn't realize I wasn't recording. So annoying. But I'm going to take the ABH NORVINA collection palette. This is a volume 1, and I'm going to take the red shade in this palette and just pack it onto my crease and just slightly blend it out. Not too much because I'm going to blend it out with another color. I did prime my eye also with some concealer, and also if you hear any coos, grunts, squeaks, anything like that, it's the baby. He's right next to me. I also did my brows off camera. Next, I'm going to take this more orangey red and I'm going to blend out the red shadow with this color. And I'm going to kind of flick this out and kind of make a cat eye effect as well. But I'm just really taking my time with this part and doing more like scratching motions back and forth in small portions to blend out the red shadow. All right, next I'm just gonna pack on the red shadow a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna take this brown shade that has a burgundy undertone and really focus this on the crease, and I'm using a more precise brush. Also pay attention to the brushes that I'm using because every brush I use, I only use for that color. So every time I go back to that brush, that is the color that I'm using. So now I'm going back into the red and just blending out the brown shadow with the red. All right, next I'm going to go back into the brown shadow and I'm going to pack this on the outer corner. Then I'm going to take a Q-tip and some makeup remover, and I'm going to kind of cut the crease with this to clean up any of the shadow that's on my lid, because I don't want it to mix with the concealer when I cut my crease. It just helps you create a more clean cut crease. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer and actually cut the crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease, so I'm not going to cut it all the way to the end of my eye, but more like 2/3 of the way. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape for this. Next, I'm going to take this gold from the palette and I'm going to pack this on with a flat shadow brush. I did spray my brush to intensify the gold a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go back into the brown shadow and I'm going to blend this into the gold shade. Then I'm going to kind of sandwich the red in between the gold and the brown, if that makes sense. I'm going to blend the brown out with the red into the gold. Yeah. Then I'm going to go in with a black felt tip liner and I'm going to create a wing. So I did the other eye off camera. Now we're going to start with our skin. I am using the Touch in Sol No Poreblem Primer. And then I'm going to kind of color correct some of my darker spots because the foundation I'm going in with is a more medium coverage foundation. And I don't want to build it up really, so I'm just going to color correct. I'm using the NYX Orange color corrector. Then I'm going to go in with the Infallible Fresh Wear foundation, and I am in this shade 480, and I'm just using the Morphe highlight and contour sponge to blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and light medium sand and highlight my face and conceal my under eyes. I did put this under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin, and again with that same sponge I'm going to blend that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and like tap underneath my eyes and make sure I don't have any creasing, and I'm going to set my under eyes with the DERMABLEND Illuminating Banana Powder. Then I'm going to just take this fluffy brush from FENTY, I think it's the powder brush, and I'm going to set my entire face just lightly. Then I'm going to take this FENTY bronzer in ILYSM and I'm going to contour with this, and I'm using the Eco Tools highlight brush for this. I'm contouring my jawline as well and my hairline. Next, I'm taking this BB Pro Face palette and I am taking the blush in it called Chrysanthemum. Yeah, I got this from TJ Maxx a few years ago, I think. And then I'm going to highlight with Rodeo Drive from OFRA Cosmetics. And I'm going to take this Iconic London setting spray. It's like one of their illuminating setting sprays. I'll have everything listed down in the description. So now I'm going to start on the under eyes and I'm going to go kind of backwards. I'm going to take the dark brown first and I'm going to put that closest to my lash line. Then I'm going to blend that out with the red shadow. And then I'm going to blend that out with the orangey red shadow. And then I also apply a black liner in the waterline and add some mascara to my lower lashes. And then I'm going to highlight the inner corner with Rodeo Drive as well. Now I'm going to start on the lips, and I'm using Brown Sugar lip liner from KYLIE Cosmetics. Then I'm going to use On Mute from Anastasia Beverly Hills as my lipstick. Then I'm going to take the gloss Summer Vibes from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to add this right to the center of my lips. This gloss is absolutely stunning in person. It is so beautiful. Alright guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I really like how it turned out. I love how dramatic it is. I love that I got to play with some color. I'm just so obsessed. And I know this video was a voiceover. It was just easier with kids and everything going on in my house. I had to stop several times, so yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!